What up? What up? Today, your boy STUNNA REESE is going to answer the question: does a high flow K&N air filter make your supercharger whine louder on the Hellcat? So let's find out right now. Let's get it. Let's go. What up, squad? You checking out the best YouTube channel for Hellcats, custom cars, car reviews, car shows, parties, travel, and more. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a thing.
Monsters. Got the thumper on them, can you tell that? OG on them, can you smell that? Pull up on them in the Hellcat like a...
Alright, so if you're like me and you own a Hellcat, you want to know if there's a way you can make your supercharger whine loud for a lot less money than purchasing a full air intake system. Well, I'm going to answer that question today. That's right, your boy STUNNA REESE is going to attempt to see if the K&N washable, reusable airflow filter, that's right, high airflow filter, will actually make the supercharger whine louder on my Hellcat Yellcat. So, you know, it's just a test. We want to see, but I'm eventually going to get a full system. But I just want to do this, man, because I haven't seen a video on it, so I want to make it. So let me see if it's going to work. All right, so y'all stay tuned. Now, first thing we got to do is see the loudness of the stock air filter from Dodge, and then we'll install the new one and compare it from there. All right, guys, let's get it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, pop the hood. That's right, let's pop the hood, and then we'll go from there. Now here's the actual product. This is the one we're going to be replacing it with. It is a drop-in filter, so it'll be real easy to install. I know you're going to need a little tools because I read that there's some screws that have to be removed. But, I mean, it's fairly simple, but I didn't see an actual video, so I'm making it now for you guys. Alright, guys, so here is the actual air filter housing. As you can see, it is SRT. That means it's Hellcat. Yeah, baby. You already know, man. Hellcat in the building. But yeah, guys, it looks like the housing is fairly simple to remove. Looks like it's just simply 3 screws, which can either be used with a Phillips or a flathead. So it looks relatively simple. And then the back looks like it just has these swivel clamps that latch underneath the plastic so that you can just swivel it up once you remove the front 3. And I'm not sure, but I think you're probably going to also have to unplug that mass airflow sensor connect in there as well to take it off. But real simple, nothing major. Anybody could do it. No need for a mechanic for anything like this. So we're going to just get right to it, man. Alright, guys, so we're going to see how it sounds with the stock air filter in there before we remove and replace it with that K&N high flow airflow. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually unplug this mass airflow sensor. It's very, very simple to do. You just simply squeeze this little prong here, the gray, and then just remove it. Real simple. We're going to just set that to the side. Alright, now we're going to take the 3 screws out. Now you want to be very, very careful not to drop these screws down into the engine compartment. I mean, very careful not to drop these screws. So definitely take your time, because once you drop them, you got to order new ones from Dodge. There's no just getting them from your local hardware store or parts store. You got to get the right ones from Dodge to replace them. So like I said, be very careful. Very careful. Take your time. It's not a race. Okay, so there's one. Like I said, I'm using a flathead. You can also use a Phillips. Now I don't know if I'm gonna actually have to remove the screw there to disconnect the hose from the actual air box, but I'm going to try to attempt to do it without it first. Okay, so that's with the stock air filter. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty beefy, but not a really super large supercharger Whine. Now that we got the screws removed and we are ready to try to install the new Can-Am. Let's get it. So you do have to remove this screw as well. Unloosen this coupling so that you can take the actual airbox out. Don't want to damage anything, so just make sure you unscrew it enough. Take it out like that. It's as easy as that. Set that like that to the side. Alright, so here's the factory air filter. Still looks brand new. Currently has 2,000 miles on it. Now time for the Can-Am. As you can see, Can-Am is already ready to drop in. Simple as that. If they're still good. Stick this back in. All right, guys, without further ado. See. I don't know, guys, it might sound a little louder. Let's try that again. Interesting. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, take a ride with me, and watch all my videos below. And thanks, and you watching Stunna Reese Live.